To change your PayPal account email address, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. So once you are signed into your account, your dashboard should look something like this. So to change our account email, all we need to do is hover over our name in the top right hand corner, and you want to click on account settings. So once you're on the account settings page, all we need to do is click on the account owner information tab on the left hand side menu, and here it's going to give you a load of information about your account. So to change our email address, you just want to click on update next to your current email address, and here it will give you a list of all of your email addresses if you have multiple of them. In this case, I've only got one. So all we need to do now is click on the plus icon just above the edit button, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your new email address. Once you've done this, you then want to click on add email address. And you'll notice the new email address has been added to the list, and it may say unconfirmed at the bottom. So to confirm this, you want to click on edit just to the right of it, and then you want to click on confirm this email address, and it will send you an email confirmation. The email confirmation should look something like this, so you just want to go ahead and click on confirm your email address, and you may need to relog into your PayPal account, so I'm going to use my NordPass password manager to do so now. And once you've relogged into your account and you go back to your email address list, you will notice that the email address has now been confirmed. Now if you want to go ahead and make this your new primary email address, you want to click on the edit button just to the right of it, and here you want to click on make this my primary email address for receiving notifications. Once you've done this, you want to click on change email address, and it will now be your new primary email address, but you can go ahead and delete your old one if you'd like to do so. And that is how you change your PayPal email address. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.